What is technical analysis? How is it different from fundamental analysis? Which is more profitable? Hi, I am C.A. Rudramurthy, chartered accountant and author of Amazon #1 selling book, Mind, Market and Money, and the only Indian who was there in world's top 5 trader trainers as declared by Online Trading Summit. Today we will learn what is technical analysis, how is it different from fundamental analysis, and which is more profitable. First of all those people who want to do short-term trading, whether you trade in futures, you trade in options, you do intraday, you do positional trading, you do option buying, you do option selling, whatever it is, if you are a short-term trader, it is a must for you to develop the skills of technical analysis. Now let us learn what do you mean by technical analysis. It is nothing but reading of charts. To make it very simple, what are we reading in charts? We are reading 3 important things in chart. The first one what we read is price. So as prices move, the same thing is plotted on a chart, and we read this price movement in order to predict what might happen in future. So technical analysis is a study of 3 important things. In that, the first and the most important element is price. Price is God. Price is primary and price is everything. All available information on market, on stock, or whatever it is discounted in the price. So if you are reading price, that means you are taking care of all information on the market. So since price discounts everything, it is very important for a short-term trader to learn technical analysis, understand the chart reading, and thereby in that the first and foremost thing what you have to read is price movement. And the second most important element in technical analysis is volume. Volume is the number of shares bought and sold for a particular period of time. I'm sure you have a book and pen and you are making note, because this video and all videos of yours which comes in Rudralogy comes with lot of practical knowledge, valuable content and no nonsense. So volume is the number of shares bought and sold for a particular period of time. So we read price, we read volume, which is also considered as secondary tool. If price is primary, volume is secondary, and volume always tells whether the price move has to be believed or not. So volume is also a confirmation tool to the price movement. All these are not available in Google. This is complete practical knowledge on stock market, coming with 17 plus years of experience from yours, Rudramurthy. So first is price, second is volume, and the third most important element what we see is open interest. Open interest and volume is not same. Might be in one of the next videos, I'll be discussing to you in detail about volume and open interest and what is the difference between volume and open interest. But right now, to put it very short and sweet to you, open interest comes only in case of derivative market or in F&O market. And please remember, you have to learn how to read price, volume and open interest, and more into this we will be discussing in our upcoming videos. And what is more important is, in technical analysis or in the chart reading, we look at price, which is primary, which is king, which is God, which is very important. And next we look at volume, which will tell you whether the price move is correct or not, which supports always the price movement. And the third most important thing is open interest. Now, when it comes to fundamental analysis, mainly we again see 3 important things in fundamental analysis. We see macroeconomic viewpoint, we see industry analysis, and finally we see company analysis. I repeat again, macroeconomic analysis, industry analysis, and company analysis. Whereas in technical analysis, we see price, volume, open interest. And in fundamental analysis, when it comes to macroeconomic view, we see how the economy is performing. What is the GDP? What is the interest rate? What is the inflation? What are the political situations? What is the economic, social situation in the country? What is the growth rate? All that what we do is what we call as macroeconomic analysis. Then we go to industry or sector analysis. How is IT sector performing? How is telecommunication performing? How is pharma performing? What are the government regulations coming into that particular sector? How is steel as an industry performing? This is what we mean by industry analysis. And finally, the third one is company specific analysis, where we study within that sector which is the better company. For example, you want to invest now in steel. Now within steel, do you want to buy Tata Steel? Do you want to buy SAIL Authority of India? Do you want to buy JSW Steel? Which company you want to buy in steel? Let's say you want to buy something from pharma. Do you want to buy Dr. Reddy? Do you want to buy Sun Pharma? Do you want to buy Lupin? Do you want to buy Divi's Lab? Which pharma stock? That is where we do company specific analysis. We see a lot of ratios in company specific analysis and different ratios. It can be profitability ratios. It can be your debt equity ratios. It can be liquidity ratios. So many. It can be valuation ratios. You might see PE multiple. You might see the PE multiple to growth ratio. All this in detail is what one does in fundamental analysis to pick the multi-bagger stock. But there are many people who know neither technicals nor fundamentals, and they think they know all this. And people talk SGX Nifty is up and down, and FII data yesterday is up and down, DII data is up and down, Dow Jones yesterday closed a negative, today positive. All this is not to be considered as fundamental analysis. It is only considered as mental analysis and not fundamental analysis. As a chartered accountant and with person of 17 plus years of experience, I will teach you in your Rudralogy channel technical analysis and fundamental analysis in the most simple format in all the videos upcoming. But for that, you have to promise me to join hands to spread right financial literacy in the most easy manner, and give your suggestions and comments to me on what type of videos you want to come in your channel Rudralogy. Do subscribe right now without fail. Hit the bell icon so that you get latest video updates immediately, and also forward this video to everyone whom you know in the social media, and we will come with lot more videos like this. You want to know more about market? You want to open your Demat and trading account? You want to learn more on stock market, or for anything to do with financial literacy and stock market investing and trading, do contact my office number 9663258258 given in the description below. See you all with more videos and more knowledge. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Signing off, Rudramurthy.